The journey leading up to a hair transplant can be challenging. Most men who undergo the procedure are those experiencing significant hair loss or early signs of baldness, often choosing to restore both their hair and beard. Hair transplant surgeries typically take around 2 to 3 hours and are usually performed under local anesthesia. While many people believe that hair loss won't occur again after the procedure, this is not always the case. Without proper post-transplant care, secondary hair loss can happen. During the recovery phase, your hair and scalp require exceptionally gentle yet effective care. Using a sulfate and paraben-free, foam-based post-hair transplant shampoo, combined with a light scalp nourishing conditioner and a restorative serum, helps maintain hydration, cleanliness, and nourishment, all essential for healing and regrowth. With consistent use of these specialized care sets, it's entirely possible to stop shedding and even stimulate new hair growth within just 2 to 3 months. To explore our 3-month and 6-month post-hair transplant care sets, visit perseusstyle.com and start giving your new hair the care it truly deserves.